Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to insert image in resume in MS Word. For example, I have this resume and I want to place an image here. So what you have to do is you need to click on the insert on the top menu bar and then click on the shapes. And here multiple shapes options are available, which are rectangular, another oval, and this is the rounded corner shape, and this is the triangle shape. So it's up to you which shapes you opt. So I'll go for the oval shapes. Now draw the oval, right click and go to the format shape. And here you see that there is another option, fill. You need to select the no fill. And here is the line option. You need to select the line of your color. For example, blue, and the line has been blue. So you can also increase the width of the circle. Select the dashes type. These are the borders. If you want a double line, you can select from here. Now go back to the again fill and select the picture or texture fill. Now click on the insert and click on from file and select the picture. Click insert and OK. And that's all. You can resize it, and from this rotate fill handle you can rotate as per your requirement. If you want to, you can place anywhere on the resume as per your wish. Moreover, you can also increase or decrease the transparency of the picture from this right side option, and make sure rotate with shape must be checked, so you can rotate the picture and shapes all together. So in this way you can easily insert an image in resume in Microsoft Word. So if you think this video is helpful, you have learned something new, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.